Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to adding another video in the CapCut apps. So here I already have one video clip, and I'm going to add another video and put on top another clip. So how to, you can click add icon right here, or you can click overlay below. Select add overlay and select the video that you want to add as an overlay. Just click it. So you can adjust for the duration and you can adjust for the position. So because it's green screen video, and I'm going to remove the green color with the chroma key. Right, just click check mark. So as you can see, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.